Hi guys, this is Tita Sebs. I'm just gonna show you some different kinds of flowers. This is an crab apple tree. They are different colors. This is like fuchsia pink, and that is a light pink. And the trees are still changing color. So here they are. And it is springtime. So yung mga kahoy, nag-iba rin ang mga dahon nila. Tumutubo na, yung dating brown ay nagiging green na, at saka nagkadahon na rin yung iba, especially yung para bang maple trees. Nagpapalit ang kulay, but these evergreen trees parehas pa rin ang kulay, ganyan pa rin. Okay.